Okay, everybody, here's the Westinghouse motor. Cleaned it up the best I could here. This is pretty much what it looks like. Windings look to be good and stick together, but I'm not going to start using this until I can actually find the right stuff to get it cleaned up better than this with. I'm not too trustworthy of it. So if you're watching this video, give me some advice and let me know what I can do. The fan does run, but I want to be 100% for sure. Here's the rest of the motor here. I cleaned it up very good. Cleaned it all down with a steel wool pad. Cleaned all the stuff out of the bearings. Cleaned up okay. Bearings look to be in good shape. There's the rotor shaft. Doesn't look too bad. It's good and reusable, so. There's the washers. I've got the screws and bolts here soaking in high-tech lubricant to where it'll be easier to put all that together. Well, here you go, everybody. This is the disassemble and examine of my 1950s Wizard box fan. I'm going to put this all back together, and it'll sit in my shop until spring, and then when that time comes, I will be making a full restoration video of it. So I hope that you've enjoyed. Leave comments, like, subscribe, and out and bye-bye.